Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you guys how to make this amazing steak sandwich that will always hit the spot. But before I show you guys how it's done, please take a second to subscribe if you're new here, like if you enjoy, and let's get started. Here's what you need to make this recipe. I will be sure to leave it down below for you guys in the description box below. I am using ciabatta bread with pepper jack cheese. I'm also going to be seasoning my steak with ground black pepper, onion powder, salt. Make sure it's sea salt because it's obviously better for the steak. It'll make it taste better as well. And also we have some thyme and rosemary with some garlic, and also we have the orange juice to make a beautiful delicious sauce for the steak. I'll be using sriracha sauce, mayonnaise, Worcestershire sauce, a little bit of salt and pepper, and also we have 1 clove of garlic, and we have some Dijon mustard. I'm also going to add some arugula to mine. You can use romaine lettuce or just leave it out completely. And here's the steak. I will be using some beautiful ribeye steak. Let's begin. To begin, I am going to drizzle some olive oil on both sides of the steak. Then I am going to give that a nice rub. Now we can start seasoning. I am going to add my sea salt on both sides, and I am going in with the ground black pepper as well as the onion powder. Now, steak doesn't require a lot of seasoning. A little bit goes a long way. Steak has its own flavor, but at the same time, you want to add some herbs like rosemary and thyme to enhance the flavor even more. All that fresh herbs will just make the steak taste 10 times better. To a preheated cast iron, I am going to pour about 3 to 4 tablespoons of avocado oil. Once that is piping hot, you're going to place your steak on there. Make sure it's super hot so you can get a nice sear on the steak. Now, if you like it medium well done. However you like it, I will place a chart on the screen for you guys. However, I like mine medium well. So this is going to take about 2 to 3 minutes per side. Once one side is nice and golden brown, my 3 minutes is up. Flip it over, allow the other side to be cooked. But as soon as you flip it over, here's what you're going to do. You're going to add 4 tablespoons of butter in there because you need that butter to baste the steak with when you add all your herbs. So I am going to add in the butter right after I am going to be adding in my herbs, which are the rosemary as well as the thyme and as well as the garlic. Once your butter is melting and the herbs are releasing all their natural flavor on the steak, you are going to baste your steak. Okay, you're going to take all of that butter with the infused herby flavor and just keep basting your steak with that. I like to put all of the herbs on top of the steak. Start basting the steak with the butter. At this point, my steak is done. I am going to remove it and place it to a cutting board. Allow it to rest a little bit just so it can release all of that juice. Just don't cut it right away, okay? So now I am going to prep my bun and my sauce. I am going to toast my ciabatta bread. Look how golden brown they are. I like it. I love it. So now I am going to make the sauce. The sauce is what's taking this sandwich to the next level. Next, I'm adding my Worcestershire sauce. And also I'm adding in the Dijon mustard with a little bit of sriracha sauce, not too spicy. And we're going to season with salt and pepper. Now we're going to add some grated garlic in there for some garlicky flavor. Next, we're going to give that a whisk just like so, and don't forget your orange juice. You can add some orange zest in there as well, but last time I tried it, I didn't really like it, but you can be my guest and try it out for yourself. But I'm going to give that a mix just like that, and once I'm done, it's time to build our sandwich. So I'm going to cut my steak. It's finally nice and well rested. Look how juicy it is. And let's not even talk about how beautiful the color, how juicy the steak looks. OMG. Now I'm ready to build my steak sandwich. I'm going to take the sauce, just spread it all over the ciabatta bun. Now I am going to place my steak right on there, and then I am also going to place my cheese on there. Like, let me know what type of cheese would you pair this sandwich with. I go for pepper jack cheese, but I'm not sure if it's the right cheese for this sandwich. Let me know what type of cheese would you combine this sandwich with. Okay, let me know down below. I'm going to add 2 slices of the pepper jack cheese. Also, I'm going to pop this in my air fryer just to melt the cheese a bit. And once I'm done, I am going in with the arugula and another piece of the bun. Add some sauce to it, and basically that is your steak sandwich. How easy, how quick, how delicious. I had to go add another layer of that steak on there because, honey, we need all the steak in the sandwich. Thank you so much for watching today's recipe, guys. I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to thumbs up if you did. Also subscribe if you're new here, and leave me a comment below what type of cheese would you pair this sandwich with. Bye guys.